that beautiful big tree in the background? Unfortunately, that guy has to be taken down. It's one of the sadder parts I find in infill housing, that some of these 100-year-old trees don't get to stick around. This is actually the perfect teardown. It's perfect. It had no chance of being renovated. Just land value. Bathroom. Here's downstairs. This is good. Wasn't a full basement. It's one of those part basements, so that's good. Much less cost to take this basement out. That's what's left of my tree.